Good morning, students. Today I want to discuss about the concept of keyboard layouts. You know very well the keyboard layouts. Generally, the keyboard is designed with the help of QWERTY layout or DVORAK layout or ABCDE layout. These three layouts are generally available. Okay. So, what is meant by the QWERTY layout? So, in the QWERTY layout, if you observe the keyboard, if you observe the top of the keyboard, there are Q, W, E, R, T, Y keystrokes are available. That is called as a QWERTY layout. If you observe the alphabets Q, W, E, R, T, Y at the top of the keyboard, generally this layout is used for any keyboard representation. Most of the keyboards are used this layout only. So when it is implemented, so it is implemented in the 1870s by the Christopher Latham Scholes, the person who invented this layout. So what are the advantages for this? So it is obviously good mechanical design and clever placement also. Okay, whereas the layout is useful for all the persons who are used in the applications, and whatever the layout is available, and this layout is used to improve the typing skills also, to improve the typing speed also. Generally, why the keyboard is used? It is an input device because of to provide the data to the system. So for this purpose, we are using this QWERTY layout. It is a famous layout available in the keyboard purpose. Next, there is a DVORAK layout, Dwarak, we can call it as a. So it is implemented from the year 1920. So it is also used, but most of the times this layout is won't preferred when compared to the QWERTY layout. And the DVORAK means the keyboard contains keystrokes by using a order. First D is available, next V is available, next O is available, next R is available, next A is available, next K is available. So like that, it contains the DVORAK layout. After that, we are using a representation called as a ABCDE layout. It is follows some alphabetical order, and this one is better for who are not a professional in typist. Better to use ABCDE layout. So once if you use this layout, it is very hard to get the professionalism. Better to use the layout of QWERTY or some other layout instead of ABCD layout. Next, the layouts are having various values also apart from the alphabets. There are the values available from 1 to 9, and there are some special keys available, and there are some special characters available, and functional keys available. So plenty of things are available in the particular format, and there is a properties are given for keyboard which is manufactured by the IBM. So the IBM follows some principles and rules for manufacturing the keyboards. So what are the principles are followed by the IBM? So the square keys size 1.5 inch, whereas the space between the keys 1/4 space is leave for each and every key, and there is a slight concave surface, and each and every key is having some good finish, and sometimes the finger may be slip from the key. If you observe the key is very smooth, and sometimes your finger might be slippage. And to press a key, 40 to 125 grams force is to be required. 40 to 125 gram force. Suppose if you want to press a key B, BVCలో B press here. So you are using only 40 to 125 grams force to activate the key. Next, every key is having 3 to 5 millimeter displacement, and there are keys are also available, and when we place the keys we must take the feedback from the users, how the users are used, what are the suggestions rendered by the users. You must consider the suggestions, that is nothing but a feedback for the development of the keyboard designs. Whereas some certain keys will be looked as a larger, like if you observe the space, if you observe the space bar, if you observe the enter key, or if you observe the caps lock, or if you observe the shift key, or if you observe the some control key, some keys should be very large, and some keys require to indicate the state. Example, caps lock. Suppose if you on the caps lock, then capital letters will be called. If you off the caps lock, no capital letters will be called on your computer. Like that. It shows the state indicator. And some keys are having large and meaningful and permanent. There is also home button is available. So these belongs to the properties of a keys, and the keyboard contains sometimes, not sometimes, every time it contains functional keys. So by using the functional keys you can reduce the mouse operation also. If you use the functional keys, you can use the various shortcuts also. Suppose if you want to close the application, you must use the Alt plus F4. Then that is the shortcut key for to close the window or application. Or if you want to save the file, suppose press F2 in C language. That is enough to save the file. Like that, suppose if you want to select the entire data, you can use Ctrl plus A. By using the alternate key and by using the control key